In South Korea, scientists have just unveiled a battery that can heal itself. Yes, a battery that repairs internal damage all on its own. This breakthrough comes from a team of South Korean engineers working on lithium-ion technology. They've created a flexible polymer shell that contains tiny microcapsules filled with a special electrolyte. When the battery gets damaged, maybe from impact, heat, or pressure, these capsules burst open, sealing the cracks instantly and restoring power flow within seconds. That means no more sudden power failures, no more overheating, and far fewer battery fires, one of the biggest risks in high-density electronics. In lab tests, even batteries punctured with needles managed to recover up to 95% of their original capacity. That's like a smartphone battery coming back to life after being damaged, almost good as new. The implications are huge. Electric vehicles could last years longer, cutting down replacement costs and reducing electronic waste. Drones and electric aircraft could keep flying safely even after minor collisions, and wearable gadgets could become far more durable and reliable. Right now, South Korea is already in talks with major tech companies to bring this self-healing technology into commercial devices. If it succeeds, this could redefine how we think about battery life, turning what used to be a weak point into one of the strongest parts of our technology. Self-healing batteries aren't just about convenience. They're about sustainability, safety, and smarter energy for the future. From South Korea, the future of power might just be indestructible.